Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Oh, yeah. I had to come on here and show y'all this lemon garlic pasta with that crispy chicken. Baby, this shit was so goddamn good. Let me show you. It's easy, too. Get you some butter in a pot. Get you some onions. Dice them up. Cook them for a minute. Go ahead and get you some garlic in there. Saute that up for a little minute. Then I added some seasoned water. You can add regular water or you can add chicken broth. Either way. Go ahead and let that simmer for about 2 minutes. It's going to thicken up a little bit. Then you're going to go ahead and season it, y'all. Don't worry about it. I'm going to have all this in the description. Because y'all going to have to make this bad boy. It's going to get to looking like this right here. Go ahead and add you some spinach. You can add fresh spinach if you want to. I didn't have none, so I added this frozen spinach that I had in there. Now you're going to add your heavy whipping cream, y'all. Then some Parmesan cheese. I didn't have shredded cheese, so I'm just using grated Parmesan, which is cool too. And this is basically how you make Alfredo sauce, y'all. You don't have to put the spinach and you don't have to put this lemon juice right here, but baby, this lemon garlic pasta, okay? So go ahead and add you some juice of a lemon. And if it start getting too thick, add a little water. It's looking like this right here. You're gonna let it cook for about 30 minutes though, just to thicken it up. Go ahead and add them noodles to that bad boy. Okay, y'all, now we finna season up these little chicken cutlets. I got them thin as hell. They big. I beat them with the mallet. Tenderize them, all that. Go ahead and get them in your flour, your egg wash, your breadcrumbs. Then fry them up to golden perfection and it be, ooh, look at that bad boy. Yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and slice this thing up and get to plating. It ain't gonna be nothing special, y'all, because this simple. Real simple. You have to make this ASF. Throw you some Parmesan cheese on there, a little parsley. And it's looking like this right here, y'all. So good. I can smell the garlic coming up off of here. Oh, I forgot to put some lemons on here. I'm about to throw some lemons up on here. Put me a little lemon juice on top. And baby, so good, y'all. A must try. Like, share, subscribe. You know the motherfucking vibe. She in the kitchen. And she will.